so exciting to be here. Such a beautiful place, greenery all around, and just love this place. My favorite place in Kolkata. So finally reached Moidan after a long time. This is my second time I am cycling to Moidan. This is the Big Bazar area. This is the Sialja station over on the right. So this is the College Square area. But yeah, whether the bookshops are open after 4. All the bookshops are closed. On both sides, the bookshops are closed. Such a bizarre scene to see. This is the Hindu school over here. And all the bookshops are shut down. This is the Presidency University on the left. And on the right, the Calcutta University. All the shops are closed. Good evening, internet. It's around 4:17 in the evening, and today I'm out for my regular cycling. But today I have decided, since I came out of my home early, I decided to visit the main attraction part of Kolkata. That is, I am going currently. I am at Sector 5 area. Here at the Green Park. I am planning to go towards Esplanade, and after that I will go towards the Moidan. So let's see how is the situation over there. People who are sitting home for the long time and wondering how is the scenario there in the main attraction parts of Kolkata. So in this video you will get to see. So it will be around 40 kilometers up and down from my home to Moidan and Esplanade area. So stay tuned to the video. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video for whatsoever reason, please do give the video a like. And this is going to be my longest cycling after taking the vaccination. So I am quite excited to cover. So but the main concern is of the weather. There is a chance of rain. Hope it doesn't rain. Fingers crossed. So let's not talk too much. I have to hurry up, or else I will face rain while coming back. So stay tuned to the video, and you will get to see how is the scenario of Kolkata in lockdown. Nico Park is also closed. Today is 10th of June. From 15th June till 15th June, the lockdown as per government will be on. But I don't think after that this amusement park will be open until the cases gets to the least. So you have to stay at home. Currently I am near to the Shialda bridge, and here you can see how empty it is compared to the other normal days. And local train services are also closed. Sorry for the shaky video because the roads are quite bumpy over here, and in my cycle I don't have any suspension system, so sorry for that. And so I'm quite near to the Shialda area, Shialda Big Bazar area. So have a watch. This is the Big Bazar area. This is the Shialda station over on the right. See how empty this area it is today compared to a normal days. So you can understand how the scenario is Kolkata region. Now let me take a left, and I will take gully and will straight get on Chandni area. So reach near to the Chandni area, Chandni market, the electronics hub of Kolkata, and let me take a left and go inside the Chandni area so that you can have an idea whether the shops are open or not. So it is around 4:45 in the evening. So let's see whether the shops are open or not. So this is the Chandni area over here. and just see how is the scenery over here. All the shops are open on both sides. To have an idea. So this is the Ebon. All shops gets closed by 1. All shops remains open till 4 p.m. most probably. And to have an idea, we have to come before 4 if you have to buy some emergency electronics item. This is the whole footpath area. And now I will be taking a turn towards the Esplanade area. So that was the Chandni area. On the left also there are some shops, but all shops are getting closed by 4 p.m. because police are quite strict over here. They are not letting any shops to be opened after 4. So that's a good sign. So if you have to buy anything, any electronic goods, you have to come by 4 and buy from Chandni area. The food stalls are open over here, but electronic shops are closed. The traffic condition you can understand. Those who have come here during normal days can bring back their memories of the jam, long traffic jam over here. So quite near to the Footballs area, the Esplanade area. This is the income tax office over there. All are waiting to get the applicants who are not working. So people are waiting to get some type of transfer services. So this is the Esplanade area. So currently I am at the Esplanade area, and here the situation is quite well organized. All the shops on this side are closed, and the other transport system you can see is nearly to empty. People are not getting out of their home. Today the weather is cloudy, so I am not getting exhausted too much. I have covered 60 kilometers from Newtown, and currently I am at the Esplanade area. That side is the Kesudas area. The traffic is quite less. The shops, all shops on the food street shops are all closed. The hawkers are closed, hawker shops are closed, and that's the modern side. So I will take that towards the modern area. That is the modern market over there. All are closed. So let's see how's the situation in modern area. Whether because in modern area many people come for cycling. So hopes a few cyclists I will get to meet there. But other than that, Esplanade area, all shops are closed. Those who have confusion with the shops are open or not, but as it is 4:53, all shops are closed now. The traffic is also quite less. So now let's go. So I left the Esplanade more behind, and now I'll be heading towards the Red Road area. On the Red Road I will cycle till Moidan, and after that I will return. So hope you are all getting a knowledge of how the main part of the Kolkata, where the main heart of the Kolkata lies, is being reacting, and the situation during lockdown time.
All this overthinking.
There is Eden Garden area, and there straight I will go towards the Red Road area. Let's see. So right now I am opposite to the Eden Garden area. I won't be going to that area. I have made a video before when I covered my longest cycling distance of 30 kilometers. Today also I am taking the same route. You can check that in the I button. That is the Eden Garden area. Here, when the signal is set, then only the traffic are accumulated. Other than that, it's completely empty. So look how beautiful it is looking in this cloudy sky. Hope you are enjoying the video as well. Currently cycling on the Red Road. It's 80 kilometers from my home. perfect weather to cycle, cloudy sky, fresh breeze is blowing, a joyful experience to cycle in the city of joy, where the main heart lies in the Moidan region. So hope for this is to give the video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe it right now. So now I am heading towards Moidan, and I will take rest over there and then again leave for Newtown. It's so exciting to be here. Such a beautiful place, greenery all around, and just love this place. My favorite place in Kolkata. So click some wonderful pictures over here. The photos you can get on my Instagram ID. Do check my Instagram ID as well. And there I upload some beautiful reels and photos also. If you want, please do check that out as well. So this is the tram line, the modern tram line. This is the tram line covered with grasses now. I think it is not operating now. So this is one of my most favorite places in Kolkata because of the whole atmosphere over here. So charming atmosphere, greenery all around, sounds of chirping of birds. If you had come here, you may understand. Otherwise, if you have not been here, just behind me is the Victoria Memorial. So what a wonderful place. So finally reached Moidan after a long time. This is my second time I am cycling to Moidan. What a joyful experience. Ah, there are some people over there, but the crowd is less compared to the normal days. And here, before lockdown, only the people used to park cars over there. Before lockdown, only that was restricted. Today also it is restricted. So what a joyful experience to be here after a long time. Was getting bored at home, so took up a challenge because after vaccination this is my long distance cycling. Just see all the horses over there. Some people are riding the horses because those who own the horse, they just earn money by letting people ride on those. So in this lockdown they are also going through huge loss. They have to feed their horses, take care of the horses. So in the lockdown they are not able to properly maintain the horses. Some are selling the horses. I came to here. So have a look of the whole atmosphere over here. So in 3, 2, 1, have a watch. So there is the tallest building of Kolkata. There is the Victoria Memorial. There is the St. Paul's Cathedral, and there are all the horses over here. I will zoom it for you. Such an amazing experience to be here. So it's good to see that many people are not going out of their home, and that's a bad sign also because Kolkata empty doesn't look that energetic, and any city of India without people is not that much of a city. You can understand what I am trying to say. Here, few people on that side. Some are playing football because I am selling some. In where I am standing, I would hardly get a chance to stand in the normal days in the before lockdown days, because it would be filled with players, footballers, cricketers. So here is the one stump. In one side there will be a one team batting, another side there will be another match going on. So it is that filled in normal days in this Moidan region. People of Kolkata may relate to this. Other than that, the people outside Kolkata, people of Mumbai can relate of their local grounds, Shivaji Park and all. So it's time to leave and say a goodbye to Moidan. I hope you are liking this video. So I will end this video over here only. So if you like this video for whatsoever reason, please do give the video a like. And hope you had an idea of how the Kolkata, the city of joy, is reacting, is following the rules of the lockdown. More 6 days left for lockdown to end. I don't know whether it will be extended. Most probably it will be extended. Few ease will be given. Other than that, it will remain the same until and unless the cases are to 1% or 0.5%. It won't get normal. So people has to be safe. Go vaccinate yourself and try to be safe and do keep fit in this time. Don't just sit at home. If you are at home, do some regular exercises, free hand exercises. If you have cycle, go out for cycling safely. So this was all I had to say. So this was the modern area, and goodbye to the modern as goodbye to you as well. So bye bye.